Hello everyone. Welcome to the Trinity Stamps March 2023 release. I had to remind myself what month it was. Oi. As always, these were sent to me. I don't have to do release and review videos, anything like that. I just like doing them whenever I can to give an overview, let my brain wander, get ideas, all the things. I'm also well aware I have barely touched last release. A lot of it sold out so quickly, which is awesome for everyone involved. It just, yeah, hard for me to, make and post with products and then everyone starts commenting and it's like, it's sold out. I can't get it. I know. So I'll get to them though. There's just so much fabulous stuff. I love it. So a lot of Easter stuff in this release. Let's just dive right in. It's not even organized, whatever. So we've got the Your Eggstra Special stamp set. So you got your big sentiment, and then you got some solid and outline little eggs. There is a coordinating wafer die set that will cut out the words individually, which I like because then you can like place them wherever you want. And then wafer dies for the little eggs. It's just cute. It's got that one. Then we've got the big Easter cut and foil die set. Trinity has done this a lot with their die sets where you have the word, the outline, and the hot foils. So you have options, and I always love options, and I love hot foil. But it's so nice to just have the options all right there done. So you can either hot foil it, or you could die cut it, and then use the outline to create an outline for this, or to die cut out the hot foil portion. So I got that one. This one was super cute. At first, like when I saw it, I was just like, okay. I didn't get it till I saw the graphic, and then I was like, oh, this is cute. Cute. This is the bunny egg shaker cut and foil die set. This one's just a cut. I think it's just supposed to be like, it's just a die set. There's no hot foiling with this one. So you have your egg shape. There's also a outline frame, that's the word I'm looking for. Frame. So you can use that to hide foam tape behind. So if you do want to create an actual shaker, and then you have the little elements to create the little bunny holding it from behind. I don't know. I think it's adorable. I love it. I think it's so cute. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. So we got that one. Then we have the chocolate bunny embossed detail die set. So yeah, this one embosses the details. You got a little bow, you got the little eye, so you can add that. You know how those little like actual chocolate bunnies have that like enamel-ish eye on them. So again, I like that little, just the tiniest little detail, but how perfect is that? I have ideas. And then we have the Dainty Egg Layers die set. Funny, I was talking about like my obsession again lately. I don't know why, with scallop wafer dies. I don't know why I've just fixating on them again. Trinity actually has several. I have to go through my stash. I'm pretty sure they're like there's. I think they have a bunch of basic shape ones. I have to go through my stash, but that are this style, this open scallop, and I just think it is super cute. So. Yeah, there's also a solid egg shape in there, and then like a reverse scallop. So again, you can use that to create like a shaker window. Always. Options are always a great thing. So we got that one. We have the Picket fence cutout wafer die set. Same idea. You can use this to create a scene. You can use that to create a window and add shaker elements. I'm all about the shakers. They're super fun. So we got this cute little scene, got a couple of clouds, this little grass border. This will go really good with that bunny. Stick him in there. Stick that one in there. Why not, I think it's adorbs. So got that one. Then we've got the layered lawn stamp set. So you have all of these pieces to create a grassy border, or you could layer it up, etc. Do different colors like light, medium, dark, whatever. There are wafer dies to die cut these, so if you do want to stagger them, because that would be perfect, do a background, you could stick a bunch of little eggs in the background, a bunny popping up, that sort of a thing, or it could just be a grass background. You could have some flowers stuck in there, like especially right now, like it is cold here still, it's gonna be for the next month or two, and there's snow everywhere, and I'm just like, ooh, I could just like just create a grassy border. You know, just a grassy background, and I'll just pretend for a while. So love that. And then we've got this one. This is really pretty. This is the stained glass stamp set. Immediately, I'm like, ooh, yes. Heat emboss that. You could like drop in color or just color, you know, all the pieces, you know, with sympathy, Easter blessings. There's something about it, like, it's so pretty, you know? So pretty. There is a coordinating wafer die set that will die cut the oval and die cut the sentiments. Yeah. There's just, I don't know. Because I'm just picturing like how pretty that would look in actual stained glass. I love stained glass. So we got that one. And then we have the vintage bunny stamp with the bunny and the sentiment. And again, he's just okay. He could have him running through the grass. He could also go with, you know, he's the right size for this. Love when everything's coordinating. There is a coordinating little wafer die set that'll die cut the bunny and the sentiment. Then we've got the Peep Show stamp set with a whole bunch of little sentiments. You got a solid, an outline, little face, squishy sweet hugs, etc. The wafer die set, the outline will die cut those, and then there's a kind of a standalone with a little like stitching border, and then of course all the wafer dies that'll die cut the sentiments, which again, if you watch my videos, you know I love having wafer dies for my sentiments. There's just something about it. I just love it. Just got that one. This one is super cute. This one, this is Baby Bunny. It's just the style of it. This makes me think of the like vintage like children's books, you know? Those sorts of, I can picture it in my head. That's exactly what this reminds me of. It's such a cute little set. I love that there's a big mix of sentiments. So you got Somebody Loves You, Easter, Welcome Little One, Happy Birthday, Missing You, Hello. You know, just a nice variety of sentiments. Coordinating wafer die set that will die cut all your bunnies and your sentiments. Again, love. And then last but certainly not least, we have a couple of fabulous stencils. So now we have the ribbon swirl egg. Trinity's done a couple of the ribbon swirl stencils in the past, so now we have the egg shape, and it includes the negative pieces because you can set those in if you want to do like multiple color blending. You can stick those negative pieces back into their spot, so it'll, you know, mask it off without having to use like masking tape, etc. Love that. Love that. And same with this one. This one is bigger. This is the Slimline Layered Eggs stencil. Same idea. Yeah, like these are spaced apart, so you can do like a rainbow of eggs, but then you've also got the negatives, so depending on what you're doing, what you're applying, you can use the negatives to mask off. Love. Love. I love when, you know, those things are included. I love when extras are thought out. I love when things are coordinating. Just always fun. So that was the release in a nutshell. I'm just like, I don't know where to begin. But as always, I will have links directly below the video. I'll link to my blog post. In my blog post, it's picture links, which just makes things, you know, easier to navigate. But all that is always linked directly below in the description box. There'll be the link to the blog post. I'll link to everything I've shown here. And if I find the other scallops, I gotta, you know, sit down and do some figuring while I'm editing. But I'll have links to all of it, and then stay tuned. I'm not even ready to make Easter stuff yet, but these have got me like, ooh, it's got me thinking, you know? There's just so much cute stuff. So, thank you all, as always, so much for watching. If you don't already follow me on my socials, they're right here. And they're also linked below with all of the things. And like I always say, leaving comments and thumbs upping helps a ton. It does tell the robot overlords that you guys enjoy what you see. My entire career is basically at the subject of a bunch of robots. So it helps. Legit. I very much appreciate it. And then subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all very soon in another video. Bye guys.